It should just turn. Yep, that's locked.
I'll have to try to look it up.
Yeah, it was fantastic in my life today.
That's something. That's something.
No, he didn't. You guys didn't park like.
What's up, friends?
Y'all go to Kendrick?
Cover Tyler.
Yeah, I'm just like, alright, go ahead.
Just let it happen.
Yes, sir. That was easy enough. I felt the bag. I was like, please tell me this is
So much better. Yes.
Wait, let me get this of you guys.
Love you. Drive safe, buddy.
I will. Love you guys. We'll see you soon.
Love you.